What's going on, guys? Chris running here, and today, as you can see, we have a beautiful view. There's nobody on the road. I am driving Tyler's Saab right now. Let me tell you, this thing like kind of rips. We've been going like a solid like 70 through 90 through these mountains. Of course, we're in Mexico. We actually left Colorado last night to go side-by-side, and now we are in Mexico. And Mexico just has these beautiful mountains. But anyways, Courtney, you know what we're doing today?
I know what we're doing.
We are fucking flipping. We're flipping side-by-side, and I've been training Courtney's brain to keep your arms and feet inside the vehicle at all times, Courtney. Because why?
Because they'll break if I don't.
Yeah, they'll snap, Courtney. They're gonna snap, and it's gonna be very bad. And I don't want to look like an asshole on YouTube. And of course, I want your well-being to be. Ooh, cows! Look. I want you to be safe.
Okay.
But I want to rage as hard as I want. Do I have permission to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. And as long as you keep your hands and arms, or arms and legs in the vehicle, it will be good. But anyways, guys, I just want to do a quick time lapse because these mountains are so sick, and I feel like we're ripping pretty good that the time lapse will look really good. So check it out right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse. Everybody literally held her phone for about 10 minutes and her arms feel like they're about to fall off, and she's even grabbing my camera right now. So what a great girlfriend, Courtney. High five for that. But I mean, just look at these roads. Like, they're so sick, and we're just fucking humming. It's great. I wish I had the roadster here just because, like, I don't know, maybe not, because they'd probably die. But I mean, we're going 90. We're going 90 right now. And this is a 40-mile-per-hour turn, so we can hit about 75. So, yep, hit the brake. You're not even filming it, Courtney. Yeah. Oh, the stutter. The stutter. We don't need to talk about the stutter. It's fine. Okay. But
she needs some work. It's okay.
I don't know what it is about this Saab, but like, we've been cruising at like 80 and it doesn't even feel like it. She just takes it. She's a good girl. Great girl. Alright, guys, so Tyler made me all nervous. Now I got this like placebo effect. Like, he's like, yeah, the altitude's pretty high, so I would recommend getting oxygen. And I'm like, why? Like, what the fuck do we need that for? He's like, well, the air gets thin, like, you can like get lightheaded and pass out. I'm like, what? Now all of a sudden, like, my chest is tight, like I can't really breathe, so I bought some oxygen. Here we go. It's just like an inhaler.
Yeah.
Wait, what I did?
Probably.
Feels so much better, Courtney.
Really?
Yeah, you want to try? I feel like a new man. I got Courtney the pink one. Grapefruit.
Ooh, yeah, I forgot it was flavored.
Oh my God, Courtney.
I feel like I need a lot. Ooh, that tastes good.
Mine tastes nothing. Yeah, we're a bunch of pussies here. Thanks for telling me that, dude, honestly. No.
It's better be safe than sorry.
No, honestly, it's not.
I don't feel anything.
Yeah, neither do I. But anyways, we are about to get to the trail. I'll just start filming when we're on the fucking side-by-sides because we're flipping today, boys. All right, guys, so these are our vehicles for the day. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Everyone's making fun of me for my helmet, but that guy right there, he thinks I look good, right?
I think it looks good.
See, Kyle has got my back, but they just drove, what, 3.5 hours to be here?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It'll be worth it, though.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun there. Who's gonna, flip?
We're not supposed to flip them.
Yeah, who's gonna, though? Someone's gonna do it.
You
have to.
I'm pretty confident that he was going to go hard.
You don't pay for the insurance with no intent of flipping.
I paid full insurance because I'm going hard.
You hear the owner there, he's like, take it easy on my machines.
Yeah, no.
Slow.
He saw us coming. He saw us coming.
I walked up to Kyle and the owner was there. I was like, yo, I'm about to rage this thing. He's like, no, you're not. You're going sightseeing. But are we going sightseeing, Kyle?
Yeah, we're going to go see some birds, some beautiful trees, some scenery.
I don't know, but how many did we rent? Like 4 of them?
I think we got 4.
Yeah, we're ready to go. I'm really excited. Me and Courtney are going. Like I said, I already taught her what to do in case of an accident, so I think we'll be good, but I'll meet you guys on the trail. All right, guys, so we're here. Trevor started walking towards this one. Adam started walking towards this one. There was only 3 here, so I'm like, you know what? I got to beat Kyle the last one. It's red. It's cool. I'm the only one with the 800. Everyone else has a fucking 900. Those make 88 horsepower. Mine makes 55. I'm pissed. The amount of butt hurtness going on right now is a lot. Thanks, Adam. Thanks for running to it. All right, guys, so we're leaving the junker right now. Pretty pissed about it. They got 88 horsepower, I got 55. Story of my life. I feel like we already can't keep up. Oh my God, 4 hours of this? Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes in the trail right now. One RZR 900 is already down. You know, sucked that I got the 800. Let me tell you, I can't really keep up. Those things are so much faster, but at the end of the day, we're still running. We even have a bash bar. What happened? Kyle hit Adam, and control module hit the radiator. Now the radiator is leaking, but good old bash bar. I'm gonna hit this jump for you guys. I don't know if it's the safest thing in the world, but let's hit it. Too much smoke, too much, bad idea. Please tell me you got that! The whole thing?
Here, watch.
Oh my God, I thought I was gonna die. right, guys, so we just hit the halfway mark. I don't know if you could tell, but I am absolutely filthy. Like, this is so fucking gnarly. This is probably the most gnarliest thing I've ever done. Like, I'm just following Adam, and I'm just going straight up balls to the wall, like, giving everything that 800 has. And look at this view. Let's just take a second. Let's breathe this in real quick. This is amazing. Best part of Colorado right here. This is better than the drift. What the fuck? This guy. But anyways, guys, this is so cool. I hope the footage does justice because all this is unreal. Like literally, probably every 10 seconds we're hitting a different jump. Like I've almost flipped this 800 probably 4 or 5 times, but it's okay because I just want to go harder.
15 minutes later.
All right, guys, so sadly we have the second one down, and sadly that one is mine. The 800 kind of just shit the bed. I don't think it's my fault. Some belt must have snapped inside the system because I was driving perfectly, and all of a sudden, like I was following Adam, and then it just stopped.
Driving like the nicest guy in the whole entire world.
That's what I was doing.
We went around a cliff up there, and there was like a dust cloud down below, and we like stopped and like looked at the edge, and I was like making sure that it wasn't you. And
oh. But yeah, whether I was driving it hard or soft, I don't think it really matters because like this is kind of a wear item. If I have to pay for this, I'm gonna be pretty pissed, to be honest. Look at this guy. Hell yeah. 800 broke, the belt snapped.
oh my god.
God, we thought you rolled it,
We were
man.
fucking sweating. We went there and we were like, it was a while. We kept driving back, didn't see you. We were terrified that you rolled off the mountain, dude.
Yeah, no, just another broken side by side.
Dude, I was terrified for you.
Well, I'm alive. So if you see what's going on here, Adam's going to break his, and then we're just gonna have one left. Good luck. You're a fucking asshole. Prick. So Courtney, how was that experience?
Fun.
Were you scared at all?
Oh yeah.
A couple times we almost flipped. Like the ATV or the side by side was like this, like 3 or 4 times, and it was pretty gnarly.
That's when it was the scariest.
But hey, we're alive. Yeah, we're dirty. We had a lot of fun. Hopefully the footage does it justice. I think after this we're going to the hot spring, so that's sick. We can clean up in some hot water, you know. But until they get here, this isn't my fault. We babied these things, right?
Right.
We babied it. We could have went harder. The sad way back down the mountain. You want some oxygen? Take some oxygen. Yeah, you gotta open it. Yeah. Oh, jeez, you alright? Yeah.
There's no
Oh
more.
no, I used it all? No.
Yes, you did.
Dang, this thing was 11 bucks and I used it all. Damn.
Wait, hold on, hold on.
I love how we're using this as a toy at this point. Ooh, let me get that. Heck yeah.
Well, it's so good.
It's amazing.
Have you got enough leg room?
Oh yeah, we're good.
All right, take it easy.
Well, we're going back right now in this Jeep. Rip. Alright guys, so I look like a crazy person right now, but so we still had an hour left on the side-by-sides, and I actually ended up getting money back. I got what, 65.50, 67.50?
67.50.
Kyle, how was your trip?
Bro. Quickest $1,300 I ever spent.
Yeah,
How
so
do you get paid? Like you got.
I got paid to romp, dude.
Did you film how you were complaining about having 800? You got that
Yeah,
on your
yeah.
vlog, right?
And I even said like if they make me
800cc, this just sucks. You come out on top getting money back because it broke down.
Dude, I even said if I had to pay for it, I'd be pissed. But here we are. So I got money back, so I decided to spend that 60 bucks on lunch for this girl and I. But it was a good day. Hopefully we could try this again another time.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get my own.
Yeah. Honestly, at that point,
Dude,
you probably
that would have
could
been a
have.
good down payment on one.
Yeah, honestly.
Oh, for sure.
I definitely feel bad, but we're gonna do it again for sure.
Don't blame Adam.
Yeah.
He said, he's like, try to keep up, so we were right on him.
Yeah.
ass.
And then he
And then he
slams
slams on his brakes because we come up to a fork. And he's like, oh, we're supposed to go that way. Just, like, what am I gonna do? Boom. Busted the radiator out of that thing.
Well, I guess we win some, we lose some, but I think we're about to go to the spa or the hot springs, wherever we're going.
Yep, after some hot springs.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh my god, I look like a fucking crazy person.
Like a raccoon.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on. Fuck it, it's makeup. Check out these mountains. We're on our way to the hot springs right now, and these mountains look fucking gorgeous. Oh my god, that's such a sick shot. Holy shit, mates. Crocky. Well, guys, I was so excited to come to Colorado for these hot springs, right? I just dropped a good $80 for me and Courtney to go to the hot springs. This is what we're talking about right here. This this fucking hot tub.
They got it for $160 for all of it.
So we get access to that pool that's green and this hot tub that's supposed to be, I don't know, I'm pissed, but I'm gonna go in and at least try to enjoy it. Look at all these guys. So funny. This is the gayest thing I've ever done.
Is it really? No, it's not. Don't lie. Really?
Yes, it is actually.
Is it really? It is. Is it really?
Well, in all honesty, we're in the steam room. I can't breathe. This is the first steam room I've ever been in my life.
I hope that's waterproof.
And I'm with a bunch of men, and it smells like dirty hobo piss in here.
Chris, I'm naked. You just can't see.
I just can't see. The camera can see. Well, it's too hot. I'm getting out of here. It's bad. It's I'm gonna die. Okay, so I just got back to Trevor's house. It's currently 11:41 at night, and I am absolutely exhausted. But let me tell you, this has been one of the funnest days I've ever had. Like, honestly, in my life, like, ripping those side-by-sides around all day and then going to the hot springs, it was just so relaxing. I mean, the side-by-side wasn't really relaxing, but it was just super fun, and I had an awesome day. Hopefully it showed on video. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it, and I am even enjoying editing it. Courtney edited some on the way home, and it looked fucking awesome. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I currently need to go to Trevor's shop and put a transmission into the drift car to see if we can make it to this drift event, and I'm so tired. We woke up at like 8 in the morning today, and I went to bed at like 2, and I haven't gotten any sleep in like the past like 2 weeks, but like we're all right. We're gonna make it. Goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow at the shop.